Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Checkmate token. Now before I start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, the Checkmate ecosystem is on a mission to cultivate a global movement of strategic and competitive thinkers. They support next generation community owned games that inspire intellectual growth, creativity and meaningful competition through blockchain technology. Check is the native currency of the Checkmate ecosystem. It offers various utilities within the ecosystem, including but not limited to underpinning in games economics, purchasing in-game assets such as cosmetic, and participating in governance activities. Checkmate token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 165 million. Check token is listed on MEXC, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.